Hello, people. My son's in the background distracting me and being silly. So if he starts singing or doing something weird, just focus on what's going on here. So, I have had a lot of questions from a lot of you on the kind of air fryer that I use and what I make in it. And it's pretty late right now. I just got home from the gym and I'm starving and I want something delicious. I'm not even gonna lie. I was super tempted to go to Cane's, but I'm not gonna do it. So I came home and decided to make something healthy and delicious instead. So let me just show you my air fryer. This is it. Sorry that it's spelled backwards, but it is a Gourmet air fryer. I got it from Costco. This is the tray, which you can see my steak is already in. It's pretty big. Actually, I can make a whole chicken in this thing. So what I'm making right now is a ribeye steak, yes, and some roasted broccoli, and then I'm going to also saute some spinach and mushrooms on the side. So just to kind of tell you what I did here, there's my steak again. It's kind of a thick steak, but it's close to the size of the palm of my hand, which I'm just now learning is the perfect portion for protein. So I'm gonna cook this in the air fryer on the preset, which I believe is 360 degrees for 12 minutes. I'm actually gonna cook it twice because it's kind of a thick cut of steak. The first time I'm just gonna cook it with the meat, and then the second time I'm gonna cook it with the broccoli, which I have already prepared. So this is fresh broccoli that I tossed with avocado oil, just a little bit to make it crispy, some garlic salt, some pepper, and some Parmesan cheese. Say hi, Kayla. I'm making a video about the air fryer. So that's the broccoli, and then over here I have baby spinach and mushrooms, which I'm just gonna saute really quick on the stove because it takes about 3 minutes. And so I'll have a double dose of vegetables and a really delicious cut of protein, which is 100% grass-fed ribeye steak. So excited. So by the way, I seasoned it with everything seasoning by Flavor God, which I have a few different flavors of these. They're pretty good. Not the cheapest, but good quality stuff. And so, yeah, so I'm gonna whip this up and then I'll come back and I'll show you the finished product. Okay? And I'll let you know how long it took. All right, talk to you in a minute. Bye. Okay, you guys, so it is currently 9:32. That might look backwards. I don't know if it looks backwards. I said the label on the air fryer was backwards and it wasn't apparently. So anyway, it's 9:32 and the food is done. So I started at 9:16. I should have told you that, or at least showed you the clock. So that is 14 minutes, right? 16? No, it's 16 minutes, sorry. So 16 minutes from raw meat, fresh vegetables to that. All in the air fryer and a little bit of sauteing on the stove. So, yeah, I'm excited to dig into this. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm gonna post this on Facebook. And I'll probably post a picture of the food on Instagram so you guys can find it again later. And if there's anything else that you guys are curious about how I make, because I know I post a lot of food pictures. I'm like crazy with the food, but if you're curious how I make other things, just let me know. I'll make a quick video about it. Not a problem, but I'm gonna go so I can dig into this. So talk to you later. Hope you try this out and you like it as much as I do. Bye.